Hey, I wanted to show you this new fan that we just got for the kids' room. They have a bunk bed here. Let me step out back here and show you guys. So we had a normal traditional fan in here, and with the kids up here on the bed, it get real dangerous with them with the spinning blades. So we just got this awesome fan. It's basically a high velocity fan with LED lights all around it. And it works really nice. A lot safer for the kids while they're on the bunk bed. It's hard to see it. Let me see if I can turn that light down so you can kind of see it better. There we go. Now you can kind of see more of the details of the trimming on the camera. Underneath there's the little glow rings. Oh, Luca. But it does sound like a high velocity fan, so let me put it on low. Maybe you can hear the noise. Here's medium. High. But it does move some air, that's for sure.